Hi guys, my name's Liam, this is Georgia and we are packing for places. And in this week's vlog,
Finally, we treat ourselves to a day at Universal Studios and show you all the best rides and even how to beat the queues.
So guys, if you're new around here, we've quit our jobs, sold our house and we've been travelling the world for 9 months. We've been pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone, throwing ourselves into some crazy experiences such as climbing volcanoes, wild camping in Botswana and biking through Southeast Asia. So buckle up and join us for the ride as this series we take on California. If you like what we're doing, give us a like, subscribe to the channel and we hope you enjoy.
and we are in. That was so easy as well, like scan your ticket. Yeah. Right, we've got a game plan. We're going straight for Jurassic World.
Yeah, we're gonna hit it off big with our ride.
Yeah, start off big. We've got our ponchos because it's going to be a wet ride. But let's get there first and get that done. Look very beautiful. I think Marilyn Monroe just called me handsome.
What? Back off, Marilyn.
She knows. Oh God, Jurassic World. Oh, I'm so happy. Come on. Let's go. I've just got our ponchos.
We're ready.
I'm going to have to switch to GoPro now. Waterproof. Hopefully I can get it on the ride so I can show you guys. How was it, babe?
Insane.
Wasn't it so good?
Good. The dinosaurs are so real.
It's definitely changed up since the last time I'd been. But yeah, it didn't get as wet as I thought. Everyone was looking at us, we had ponchos, no one else had ponchos on. We're at the Transformers ride, waiting for Optimus Prime. Georgia really wants to see him, so we had to stay.
I have returned to light our darkest hour. Humans, freedom is your right. Today, you have a choice.
I don't know about this one. I've not got the strongest stomach and it's 3D, but Liam is desperate to go on it. So we'll give it a go, and if I'm sick, I'll let you know.
We refuse to let the
Oh my God, how good was that?
Insane.
Literally, I reckon it's one of the best rides we've been on so far.
The graphics it was so realistic.
3D-ness with the glasses and throwing you around and it was so good.
Amazing.
I can't actually believe though that we've done one section and we've been in here about an hour and a half.
We've done 3 of the biggest rides.
Yeah. The 3 big ones, the Mummy, Transformers
If you get here,
and Jurassic World.
if you get here when it opens, go straight down to the lower lot. We're going to go and do the studio tour because it's literally like an hour long and there's only a 10-minute wait. So we're going to do that, chill out, have lunch, and then we've got the rest of the day to do Springfield and Harry Potter World, which is perfect.
Perfect plan. So we've just arrived at Harry Potter land. George is very excited. One of the last stops of the day, but looks like it's going to be pretty awesome. So we're entering Hogwarts. I've got myself a can of Stella. Cost me about a tenner, but
You look great before our 3D ride.
that's alright. We've got 90 minutes waits on this ride. 90 minutes. But the last one was like 50 minutes and it was alright. Just get on your phone and listen to a podcast or something. So just come off the Harry Potter ride. We weren't allowed to take cameras on there, but how good was that? It was the best ride.
Best ride ever.
You was flying around. It was just so good. Definitely the best ride. We're gonna have a look in the shop. I'm trying to get Georgia to get a cape and a wand, but she won't. Just so I can laugh at her. All these wands have different powers and who they are in the film. I don't know anything about this. I like the idea of having a wand though. Last stop of the day, Waterworld. Now I've seen this years ago, but I reckon I might have updated it, but George has never seen it, so. But we are absolutely knackered, haven't we? We've been going for like 8-9 hours now, just walking, and it is nearly 5 o'clock, so we're going to do this, and we are done. For this one.
What's it about?
A world full of water.
Like pirates.
Like pirates. Universal Studio Hollywood. Been amazing.
Is that?